What's the meaning of breadstick? Breadstick. Breadstick.
Breadstick. Breadstick. A breadstick is a type of elongated snack food that is typically made from dough, which is baked until it becomes crispy and crunchy. These snacks can be flavored in a number of different ways, often with herbs, spices, or other ingredients. Breadsticks are often served as an accompaniment to foods such as soups, salads, and pasta dishes, and they can also be enjoyed on their own as a simple and satisfying snack. In general, breadsticks are a popular and versatile food that can be found in many different cultures and cuisines around the world.